Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool rotary dial Princess telephone, and this is Tish's equipment from SD, and this is the initial checkout of this really cool telephone. Now this is an early model Princess telephone, and this unit does not have a bell. It was manufactured without a bell. The time period that this telephone was made, the telephone company pretty much assumed that you would have a bell box already installed at your location, and if you didn't, they would install a bell box. We will be troubleshooting this entire telephone while it's in the shop, but we know that the hook switch plunger on the right hand side of the telephone is missing, so we'll take care of that issue. We also know that the line cord is missing. Someone cut it off, and that's probably because they wanted to save this telephone and it was hardwired into the wall or wherever they made that connection at. We also know the rotary dial is very sluggish, so we want to clean, oil, and adjust the rotary dial. We also want to troubleshoot the transmit and the receive and the handset cord. And we will be going through the network to make sure all of the connections are tight and that they're proper. And if we have to reconfigure any wiring, we'll take care of any and all of those issues. This telephone is in very good condition for its age, and it's a really cool color. We have a lot of work that needs to be done. We want to get a start on this unit. We'll go ahead and take some still pictures of this really cool Princess telephone, and we'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the troubleshooting and repairing process. We'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we're finished up with all of our repairs, and we're ready to start our final checkout. Now, I also want to mention our amplified pickup. We use this pickup in troubleshooting, repairing, and on our final checkouts. It's amplified so that you can hear the audio from a receiver. And I have an amplifier back by the video. I have a button on it, and when I press the button, I can give dial tone or take it away at any time. But since it's an open amplifier, it is prone to any static interference or noise in the atmosphere. I'm going to go ahead and press the button. You may hear a little bit of an electrical hum. I'm going to release it, press it one more time, and release it. So if you hear any noise during the final checkout, it will be coming from the amplifier and not the telephone. And normally at this part of the video, we would go ahead and ring the telephone and send a ring cycle like you were getting a call. But since this telephone is such an early model, it does not have a bell. So we're not going to start with a ring cycle. And we'll go ahead and just give you some dial tone. And now we're going to go ahead and walk through our numbers. If you watch the analyzer, you'll watch the numbers roll by. We have a nice smooth return on our rotary dial now. I'm going to end in a 2. Now I want to transmit into the handset. If you watch that red light on the analyzer, every time you see that red light light up, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello, hello. Go ahead and hang our handset up. Now that we know that this unit is dialing out, we have transmit and receive. We can go ahead and move the line cord over to a line out, and we'll call a time and temp number. Give you some dial tone. And we'll make that call.
Today is Sunday, May 4th. The current time, 7:48 p.m. and the temperature, 61 degrees.
We can go ahead and hang up. Now that we know that this really cool Western Electric Princess rotary dial telephone has been repaired, we can return this unit back to Tish and she can enjoy this telephone. I'm sure it's going to look great wherever it's used. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching and have a great day.